insurance companies are providing life insurance coverage as well as annuity. Many private companies are showing interest to enter into life insurance business as well as annuity to the insurance policy holders. There may be a situation that the policyholder may get annuity or insurance maturity amount from the unknown company because of exchange of information, exchange of data, because of taking over a business by other equity-based companies. Of course, every insurance policyholder expects the maturity amount as well as the flexibility to come out of the policy, to surrender their policy, to get the amount contributed along with additional value. Also, annuity after the period of completion of policy tenure. Now, the insurance companies are covering majority of the cases, especially life insurance companies are covering the policyholders with natural death and accidental cases. But what about the cases of suicide or any murder or any cases or loss of death due to any reason? And that is going to, the policyholder is not going to benefit much if those things happen without his fault. The big loss of death is loss of death. We expect the insurance companies to treat the loss of death as loss of death only. Maybe it is due to any reason, maybe suicide or murder or anything, the loss of death should be treated equally, and the treatment of payment of premium, payment of policy amount, issued amount and maturity amounts also should be treated equally. The same way, the companies may think of reducing the premiums to be paid by policyholders because of increase in business, increase of number of policyholders and reducing cost of administration because of digitalization and spreading the fixed cost on many policyholders and many large number of sum issued and policy premiums collected. So, because of every life insurance policyholder expects reduction in premiums to be paid by him. Of course, this may be agreed at the time of entering into the policy itself, but that can be if the premium is reduced with assuring the same insurance amount, that will make the policyholder happy and he can increase the number of policyholders may increase. Earlier, we can see the policies which were taken at the 20-25 years back. Policyholders are paying their amounts. At that time, value of rupee was more and sum issued was less. But now, because of improvement of incomes and economic activities, people's income has improved and the value of money has come down and premiums paid are continuing the same valuation. This is incurring losses to policyholders. Since the people who have taken policies long back, they may be given relief or deduction or discount in their premiums contributions by assuring the same amount of policy covered or maturity amount. Because of changed situation, increase in business, increase of policies and increase of policyholders, increase in premiums collection. That will make the policyholders who has purchased their policies at least 15 years back, means those who have purchased policies 2005 earlier that period. We have seen at that time the sum issued 5 lakhs was treated as very big amount. But now the minimum policy amount is 5 lakhs now because of increase in incomes and paying capacity of the policyholders. The insurance companies can think of reducing the premiums to be paid by policyholders because of reduction in fixed cost and increase in number of policyholders, increase in number of policies, at least for the premiums purchased some 15 years back. So that will give lot of help to the policyholders. And also we expect the life insurance business also to cover the fatalities of spouse or parents also, because any person who earns income on whom the family is dependent, and if those cases are also covered, the policyholders will be issued of the insurance covered amount, and the policyholder also may be benefited if the policy is continued up to the age of annuity. So we expect not only to cover the death of the policyholder, but also to cover the spouse or parents or the person on whom the family is dependent, on whom the policyholder is dependent, or any situation where the policyholder unable to pay the insurance premiums as issued in the policy purchased. So it is better to include in life insurance business the coverage of not only the individual policyholder but also to the spouse, parents or resource person on whom the policyholder is dependent for livelihood. It is better, and also request to reduce the premiums and to increase the coverage or enhance the sum issued to the people who has waited up to the completion of the policy tenure waiting for annuity, or to increase the annuity benefit to be given to policyholders after the completion of insurance covered period. Of course, this may be the expectations may not be acceptable, but because of changed situation and reduction in cost of administration and increase in business, increase in policyholders, increase in premiums received, and increase in sum assured, the insurance companies can bear the cost and reduce the premiums to be paid and enhance the facilities provided to the insurance policyholders.